What's going on, guys? I'm just going to give my outlook for EU. I've done a video yesterday, but I didn't end up posting it, and price has developed a bit, so I'm going to run through it again. But of course the hard time frame story is the same. We've reacted to this whole leg, we're in premium. The supply here has swept liquidity, caused a break of structure of here, this range here, and also caused a last point of demand. So caused a demand failure here, taking out this range, had a nice reaction in here. Buyers tried to come into the market and were overpowered by supply here. So hitting a weekly supply zone, likely to get our next reaction at a weekly demand zone. Just marking up this, sweeps liquidity, causes a break of structure, same story, causes the supply to fail. So this is my next point I'm interested in demand. And we've known about this for a little bit on the daily. We've had this already mapped up, but refine it down. We've got a sweep of liquidity, a break of structure. And I did say in the video yesterday, I was anticipating these lows to all get run. It's a bit more clearer on the 4 hour. A lot of stacked lows in here. We've had our internal, we've had our market shift here. So expecting, after this low fails, expecting all the rest to be run and then come into demand. But after this low failed and we get this massive sell-off, break of structure, the market shift, I wasn't, and then obviously all this liquidity grabbed. I was anticipating if the medium time frames are going to start to show bullish, demand holding, to then come into premium of this leg and looking for something valid to give short opportunities if they were there. But nothing happened during the session, so still just waiting for more price action to develop and see where it's going to go. Definitely going to wait for the reactions and see what the 4 hour 15 minute do from in here. But yeah, that's a hard time frame story just now. Just been patient, and it was just Monday yesterday, so wasn't trying to rush anything. 4 hour. Yeah, I did have this marked up. Maybe get a reaction in here. Just look to see what price does. What I just said there in the daily, I'd want liquidity to take on entry. Liquidity target, weak lows to target. Of course, aiming to come into discount for the leg. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just been patient just now. There was a short opportunity yesterday, I didn't take it. After this massive sell-off, this break of structure, taking all this liquidity, I was really waiting on anticipating a pullback, not trying to force anything, just being patient and waiting to see what happened. So, but yeah, price continued bearish, so it is what it is. If anybody took this sell, well done. It's quite a nice one. Nice sweep of liquidity here, causes a break of structure here. And if you take the most recent leg, of course you would be in premium. Nice and clean on the lower time frames. I looked in the 3 minute and it was even cleaner on the 2 minute. Of course we have this buy to sell, it gets engulfed, it is the extreme. This is the 3 minute, and let's see it on the 2 minute, see it better. And of course we have these early sellers getting taken, which is lovely to see. Liquidity to take on entry. And on the 1 minute, after you've seen, the coming into the extreme and the bearish candle, you would market execute. Even 5 pips to cover on the high, that would be great. You could always obviously go to your 4 and whatever your target would be. But yeah, price ultimately does fly off. So if anyone can call that nice. Again, I was just being patient yesterday. Rather than doing any continuations, I was waiting to see if the pullback was going to happen after what I've just said, you know, with the market shift, taking all the liquidity and the massive sell-off in price, but it's continuing. So we'll see what happens with the development of price today. But yeah, hope everyone has a good week. I'm just chilling, being patient just now. Going to let price action do its thing. And yeah, catch you all in another video. In fact, let me just touch similar price action to this. Thought we're going to see the same thing, you know. See this low puts in this high. When the low fails, the internal low, we get our next break of structure. Supply is showing it's holding, so you've got your opportunity to short, you know, until you come into then discount and price starts to react, give long opportunities, and then price continues from the extreme. But when the internal stuff starts to go and you're following the order flow, you can definitely start to take shots if everything presents and your rules are met. So that's what rule I was anticipating yesterday, to see if we're going to get that in the medium time frames. But price is continuing. Price doesn't always, you know, just fly to one place to another. As we say, we know your price, you know, expands, and then we get our pullback, relief, whatever you call it, and our expansions, and then we pull back. Rarely does it just fly to the destination or wherever it's going, unless it's in there as release. But yeah, catch you in another video. Happy trading, man.